Hi, this is Dudong Dito and welcome to my channel. Naka-try na mo gamit o Google Pay sa inyong Samsung phone? If not, basin mauna ang pinakasayo na pamaagi sa inyong Christmas shopping karon. As in one tap, bayad dayon. Let's be honest, kapag kayo magdaog daghang pitaka, cards, wallets, coins, especially karong Christmas season. Daghang tao, taas og linya, o daghang pagitagdala. Usahay maabot pa ganita sa point na wala ta kabalo kung asa na to gibutang atong card. Ang worst, nawala pag yun. So what does NFC all about and how does it works? So ang NFC means Near Field Communication. Actually, dugay na kaayo ni na feature. Sa laing country, kabantay mo, kung kita mo sa mga videos or nakatumo sa gawas, puro tap to pay na ilang transaction. Sa bus, sa taxi, convenience stores. And I am very happy that Google Pay is now available in the Philippines. Now guys, this works only in Android phone na naay NFC capability. So kung naka-Samsung phone ka, asa makita ang NFC, of course, sa quick panel, inig-slide down nimo or sa settings. So lagay mo lang nimo sa settings sa search engine na NFC mo gawas ana na options. Ang advantage is that not just sa mga devices may NFC si Samsung, but of course, appeal ang mga watches. Now, Dudong dito, pwede ba ni sa iOS? Of course, dili. Kainaag yun sila yung ilaha. Apple Pay ang tawag sa ilaha. Karon kung nag-Android ka, well, Google Pay is in the house. Now, Dudong dito, is it safe? Now, think of this way. Sa atong normal na transaction, when we are paying using the card, we have to present the physical card. Whether is a swipe, which is yun yung pinakakaraan, whether i-insert using the microchip, or itatap to pay natin. So naidagang chance na makawat imong credit card details because you have to present your physical card. Now, if you activated your card via Google Pay, of course, you have to access it in your phone. Syempre, kung ikaw yung may-ari ng phone, hindi man na siya pwede nimong ihatag sa imong anak, hindi man na siya pwede nimong ihatag sa imong anak, hindi man na siya pwede nimong ihatag sa imong anak, mo payat, Hindi pwede. You own the phone.
What?
Ikaw mismo may-ari sa phone.
What?
Ikaw rin dyan ang may access sa phone.
What?
So you don't need to lend it to your wife, lend it to your son, or whoever that is. So that means, you yourself, ikaw lang ang may access sa yung Google Pay. Requirement yan ni Google Pay na ito turn on mo ang imuhang security, whether PIN, whether pattern, or whether face recognition, biometrics, or password. Para in the event na mawala imong phone, makawat or kawaton, secured ang imuhang Google Pay. Bot na sabot, dapat naka-unlock ang phone in order for the user to access Google Pay. Ngayon, kung naka-lock siya, hindi mo magamit ang imuhang Google Pay. Now, sa Google Pay, mayroon tayong gitawag na tokenization. So, how does it works? Pasimplihin natin. So, say for example, meron akong credit card. Ito si credit card. However, sa tokenization, once you register your credit card sa imuhang Android phone, silbi, ito si token. Yan. Kunwari, ito si token ha. So, ni-register mo ngayon siya sa phone mo. Ang gagawin ni token is i-hide niya ang tanang information sa imong credit card para inig-transact mo pagbayad nimo sa terminal or merchant, si token ang gagawa ng paraan para magbayad in behalf of your credit card. So, mas safer siya is because walang dili makawat or hindi makuha imong credit card details kasi minamask ni token yung credit card mo. So say for example, ang credit card mo is under the name of AI Master. But since may token, i-hide ni token, so ang mangyayari, nickname na lang. Say for example, like Bear, or could be a pen 1, 2, 3, 4. So si pen 1, 2, 3, 4, ibabayad natin sa terminal, tap to pay, yun yung nababasa ni terminal via Google Wallet or Google Pay. That's how safe the Google Pay is. sa pagkakaroon, as of November 2025, there are only 9 banks na pwede na magamit sa Google Pay. So number 1 sa itong mga bank na pwede na sa Google Pay as of November is Union Bank, pero under Visa, but only limited for credit card pa lang for now. East West, both Visa and MasterCard, pwede na. RCBC, both Visa and MasterCard, pero credit card pa rin gihapon. And then China Bank, credit card and debit card under Visa. However, kung MasterCard yung China Bank nyo na credit card, yun pa lang yung pwede. Hindi pa rin pwede yung debit card. For Maya, debit card pwede but under Visa. GCash, kung meron kayong GCash card, pwede na rin. Pero dapat MasterCard. Ha? Pwede na ang debit card sa GCash. For GoTime, pwede na under Visa. Okay? Pero wala pa silang MasterCard for GoTime. Under Wise and Zed, prepaid cards pwede, Visa, but however yung Z kasi is credit card yan, pero wala silang Visa, the Google Pay will only works for credit card. So other major banks here in the Philippines like BDO, BPI, Metrobank, wala pa sila because based on my research, next year pa daw sila. And also they are preparing for digitalization like Google Pay. Now, dito, what if mo ato ko sa line store na naroon kay Google Pay, activated na gid siya? Yang ending, hindi mo magamit yung Google Pay kaya nga naman. Ang terminal sa store, kay dili pa siya NFC ready. Wala pa siyang tap to pay. So, sa pagkakaroon, most of our stores na naman is ready na for tap to pay. So, it's just that sometimes, before we shop, punta muna tayo sa store, punta tayo sa cashier, ma'am, ready na ba for tap to pay ang inyong terminal? Yan, pangutano sa, para lahos-lahos tuloy siya sa jackpot. So, how does this make your Christmas easier? Simple. Google Pay plus Samsung equals zero hassle, zero stress, 100% convenience. So imagine, if ga-shopping ka, you don't need to actually get your card in your wallet, di ba? No need na magpanik kung asan mo siya gibutang. Everything is securely stored in your Samsung phone. So karong Christmas, ang goal nato is simple ra. Sa iyo nag-shopping, mas dali o mas safe. Google Pay saves your time, avoid hassle, stay secured every time na mubayad ka. So if ganahan mo ma-feel ang convenience this holiday season, set up your Google Pay in your Samsung phone today. Promise, once you tried it, you will never go back of bringing your wallet the same way again. So this Christmas, make your shopping more faster, safer, and even more smarter. Try Google Pay and happy holidays. Bye for now!